Guys, welcome back to the channel, Grab Life by the Fork. And today we have Subway, the number 18 footlong, the ultimate B.MT. There it is here. I didn't get it toasted because of the veggies and having to eat it later. Let's see. And what I got on it was with Italian herbs and cheese bread, the provolone cheese, tomatoes, red onion, cucumbers, banana peppers, MVP Parmesan vinaigrette, oil, roasted garlic aioli, and that's pretty much it. And guys, on the app, get two footlongs for $12.99 at participating locations. Let me give it a try. Got plenty of flavor. It's got the 3 meats on there. I like it with the oil. And again, if you're saving it for later, better off not getting it toasted. Because for me personally, having to warm up veggies in a microwave or lettuce and things of that nature just doesn't cut it for me. I feel like Subways have stepped up their quality of the ingredients and the meat as well, at least lately, with the what is it, the Subway series lineup of sandwiches. So not bad there. But that deal on the app, it's two any sandwiches, so it's including the classic or the Subway series, which is the new lineup as well. Get 2 footlongs for $12.99. But yeah, it's pretty good so far. Other than not eating it right away, the score on this is going to be a 7.5 out of 10. Again, it would have been a lot better eating it right away, not letting it sit, and with it getting a little bit soggy, but it's not too soggy because I didn't put too much. I asked for less sauce just because it was just sitting for a few hours. But hey guys, thank you guys for tuning in, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.